everyone, and welcome to the first tutorial of Kayleigh and Becky Garbro.
Garbro.
We'll explain that. We explained that in our first vlog. So if you haven't seen that, go check it out. Funny story. Alright, today I'm going to do a waterfall braid followed by a plaited rose. And I only learnt how to do this not too long ago, so if I make a few mistakes, bear with me. So first, for the waterfall braid, you're going to need to grab the section of hair here, basically from the front of your ear. And if you have a fringe like Becky's, you want to put your fringe into it as well. And so we're going to separate it into 3. Sorry Becky, poked your ear there. And just plait it like a normal braid a few times. And then we're going to drop the bottom one, and Becky, I'm going to ask you to hold that. And we're going to pick up another piece and add this to the braid. I'm going to drop this piece, Becky, if you could hold that as well. Grab another piece and add it to the braid. I'm going to do this one more time after this. So, like this. And then Becky, hold that. And then, after we've done that, you're just going to braid it down until you get to the very end. Alright, once you get to the very end, as far down as you can go, you want to tie it. Becky, by the way, you can let go of those now. You can tie it up with an elastic. I find elastics really do come in handy when doing braids because they always end up so small at the very end, and it's just, yep. If you try and use a proper band, it won't work. 100% guarantee, I've tried it.
Yeah, it should look too big. And that wouldn't really be nice.
Definitely. Alright, so once you've got it plaited all the way down here, let Becky's hair fall out quite naturally. You want to start at the bottom here and take this little tuft of fur, or hair,
Yeah.
and then you're going to bend that over, and then you're going to roll up the plait, starting at the very end, just going to roll it up. Then you want to take some lovely things called bobby pins that I could not live without. And basically you just pin it in place. I always use 2 bobby pins crossed over because it just secures it that much more, and it makes sure it's not going to fall out anytime soon. Really, that's pretty much all it does. I'm going to take Becky's hair, so you see how it's like falling down like that? I'm just going to tuck it behind her ear, and there we go. A waterfall braid with a nice rose.